Hello and welcome to Mafte Property Marketing. We have brought you this fancy open kitchen floor planned apartment in the heart of Addis, Mexico area. It has additional storage and centralized boiler system behind the kitchen area. Also the kitchen cabinets, the lighting system, everything is provided. Also additional stove and burner are left here. Also air sucker will be delivered together with the apartment, and this apartment is 124 square meter. It's a master bedroom. We are in a master bathroom. Shower box will be provided, and it's east faced apartment. It has a good light, natural light, and other bedroom has a balcony and has a additional view in the other side of the bedroom. You can own this apartment by paying starting from the 30% advance payment or down payment. Also there is a steam sucker system in the wet areas in the common bathroom, also the laundry room. So do contact us. We will give you detailed information about the apartment, the payment schedule, the delivery period, and the full price. You can contact us for detailed information. It has, as you have seen, it has a balcony on the living room. So do contact us. We will give you the full information. Invest with Mafte Property Marketing. Do contact us with the numbers we provided below. Have a great Ethiopian Christmas holiday. Goodbye.